We just want to be able to help everyone out. We want to help people grow their businesses along with them, make the right connections, make sure everyone knows the people in the industry that they need to know to get their jobs done and keep their business building and growing. This is a great time to keep growing. We can do this together as long as we're working together and forming all these really good partnerships. Let's just have a good night of mingling and let's figure out how we all can help each other.
Meza Tile, all we do is tile. So from commercial, residential, and industrial. We do a lot of remodeling as well, but we like to stick to large tile projects. However, we do have a department now that does small tile projects. So your typical kitchen backsplashes, your small bathroom floors, your heated floors, your tub conversions, we have a department for that now too. And that's us, Meza Tile and Stone. Reach out.
My name's Lindsay. We're with ESI Edge Banding Services. We're a wholesale distributor of multiple products. More importantly, the quartz slabs, Pondstone quartz slabs. Escalier porcelain slabs can be used on countertops, vertical application. We sell commercial, we sell residential. The finium here for wall paneling comes out of France. All different kinds of assortments, very, very pretty. We're located in Denver and have 7 other branches in the country.
Highland Cabinetry is a wholesale cabinetry company that can get cabinets in stock in 5 to 7 business days. We work with businesses, small and large, and anything in between.
We're proud of this showroom, we're proud of the partnerships that we currently have, and obviously we're always looking to build more relationships and more partnerships. So hopefully if you've never worked with us before, we can look forward to working with you at some point in the future.
So my name is Joyce Tolliver. This is my son Brent. We own roll-em-out shelves. We do custom wood roll-out shelves. Each one is manufactured in our shop. We are family owned and operated, been doing it for 20 years.
We are Paint Denver, and we paint interiors and exteriors of residential and commercial businesses, homes, and properties.
We also paint cabinets.
So we have a Seller's Assist program. It's basically geared towards realtors and people who are putting their houses on the market. Basically, they don't have to pay for the paint job until after they close.
And we've got a lot of new products coming out. Our displays in the back corner over there. There's wine and beer in the refrigerators. Check them all out and take a look at it. And we're excited to have you.
So we do everything from ground up. We do development, and then we do the construction side, and then we do property management too at the end of the project. So we're in about 24 different states. We do everything from new construction to rehabs. Our main book of business is multifamily.
Our interest in relationships is long term. We don't care about one order, we care about relationships. So, again, being here for 20 years doing this thing, we know what's good, we know what's not, and we know what can be an asset to you. That's our goal.
I'm with KR Construction. We're a commercial construction company. We're licensed in 41 states. We work across the country in everything from small interior fit-outs to large-scale ground-up hotels. We do government work, open shop, prevailing wage.
We specialize in multifamily CapEx rehab work. We also do residential and commercial TI build-out. Been in business for over 25 years.
OfferPad's renovation and real estate solutions company. So we'll buy your house for cash, we'll help you list your house, we'll fix your house up, make it list ready, and we offer our renovation services nationwide as a national general contractor.
Thank everyone for coming, and we appreciate everything and all y'all. Thank you.